If Discord keeps freezing while you're playing games, the good news is that there are a few simple fixes you can try right now, and in this video I'll walk you through each one step by step. These are easy changes and they can help if Discord is lagging, stuttering, freezing, or causing your game to run poorly. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first fix is to disable hardware acceleration in Discord. Hardware acceleration can improve performance for some apps, but in certain cases it can actually cause Discord to freeze or conflict with your game. To do this, open Discord and look at the bottom left corner of the app. Click the gear icon to open user settings. Once you're inside settings, scroll down and find the appearance section. In that area, look for the advanced settings and you should see hardware acceleration. Toggle that setting off. After you turn it off, Discord may ask you to restart. Click the change or restart option and let Discord relaunch itself. This is an important step because the new setting usually doesn't fully apply until Discord restarts. Once Discord opens again, test your game and see if the freezing has improved. For a lot of users, this alone can make a noticeable difference, especially if the issue started after a Discord update or after changing graphics settings on your computer. If the problem is still there, don't worry, because we have a couple more fixes to go through. The second fix is to run Discord as an administrator. This can help Discord access system resources more smoothly and prevent permission-related issues that sometimes cause freezing or instability. First, close Discord completely. Make sure it is not just minimized, and also check your system tray to confirm it is fully closed. If Discord is still running in the background, right-click it and exit it completely. Now go to your Discord shortcut on the desktop. Right-click the shortcut and choose Properties. In the Properties window, click the Compatibility tab. Here, you'll see an option that says, Run this program as an administrator. Check that box. After that, click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. The next time you open Discord, it will launch with administrator permissions. This step is especially useful if Discord is struggling to stay responsive while another application or game is running. Running it as an administrator can reduce strange behavior and help the app work more reliably in the background. After enabling this, open Discord again and check whether the freezing issue is better. The third fix is to disable the Discord overlay. Discord's overlay is a useful feature because it lets you use Discord while gaming without switching windows, but on some PCs it can cause game performance problems, freezing, or even crashes. To turn it off, open Discord again and go back to user settings by clicking the gear icon. From there, go to the activity tab and then click game overlay. You should see an option that says enable overlay. Toggle that off. Once the overlay is disabled, Discord won't try to draw itself over your game, which can help reduce conflicts and improve stability. If you use the overlay often, you can always turn it back on later, but for troubleshooting, it's best to keep it off and test your game first. After changing this setting, launch your game again and see whether the freeze issue is gone. If you've tried all three fixes and Discord still freezes, you may want to restart your PC as well, because that can clear out background processes and fully apply the changes you made. In many cases, combining these steps gives the best result. Disabling hardware acceleration, running Discord as an administrator, and turning off the overlay are all common solutions for Discord-related game freezing. So to quickly recap, first disable hardware acceleration, then run Discord as an administrator, and finally disable the Discord overlay. These are three of the most effective fixes you can try when Discord is freezing during gameplay. I hope this helped you get back into your games without interruptions. If it did, please hit like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Discord fixes in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.